Hi, I'm Raquel Rodriguez, Tamaya's new community ambassador, and today we're going to go ahead and take a look at our Taylor home. Now this home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage that measures out to a total of 1,815 square feet. Now the Taylor is our Spanish model home. It is very spacious and you can actually enter through the beautifully covered entryway and into the welcoming foyer. Now stepping into the foyer, there are 2 bedrooms on the right with a bathroom in the center. In the entryway, we have high ceilings, which gives the home a bigger feel than what it really is. Now we're stepping into the first bedroom on the left-hand side after entering the foyer. This room measures out to 12 by 11 feet and it has a 2-door closet within the room with a view of the outside yard. This is a shared bathroom between the first and the second room in the front portion of the home. This bathroom does measure out to 10 feet, including the tub, the single sink, and the latrine. This is our second bedroom within the front portion of the home. It measures out to 12 by 11 feet, offering with a double door closet. Now this room is a little special because it has a 2-sided window that gives you a beautiful view of the front yard and the street. Stepping out of the bedroom portion in the front part of the home, we step out into the hallway that actually goes into the gathering room, or what many know as the living room. Now our gathering room measures out to 18 by 18 feet with double sliding doors, big windows, and a very spacious ambiance. Now stepping away from the gathering room, we're connecting into the dining room area, which has a clear view of the kitchen. Our dining room area measures out to 10 by 18 feet, which gives our residents an easier and convenient way to entertain not only the family but also guests. Now on the left-hand side of the kitchen after entering the dining room area is a utility closet. Now inside the utility closet it does have a secret doorway also, again on the left-hand side, for linen. It's great for storage or storing towels, anything for the kitchen or just in general. Going down the countertop and the sink and dishwasher center island, there is another entryway that would be for the pantry and the entrance to the garage. The pantry is actually pretty spacious. It gives you a chance to store a majority of your canned goods, chips, snacks. If you just want to hide some food away from the kids, it is a great spot. Very spacious. Turning back around away from the closet area, we're walking back into our gourmet kitchen, which actually measures out to 10 by 18 feet. We have a dual sink, a dishwasher, beautiful countertops on the center island and on the cabinetry. This is the nitty-gritty. This is our master bedroom measuring out to 14 by 16 feet with 3 open windows, letting in beautiful light into the room, giving it a beautiful ambiance with a lovely view of the backyard and the lake with the high ceilings. Moving past the sliding door is our master bathroom. We have dual sinks, a stand-up crystal glass shower, a beautiful tub, and a latrine. The master's has a walk-in closet with more than enough space for 1 or 2 people. Stepping out of the gathering room and through the sliding doors, we now enter the covered lanai, which provides an outdoor space for all types of entertainment and a beautiful view of the backyard with the lake. Our covered lanai actually measures out to 14 by 10 feet, giving you more than enough options for beautiful designs and gatherings with the family and friends. So this concludes the end of our video tour of the Taylor home. This is Raquel Rodriguez, ICI Homes and Tamaya's community ambassador, and thanks for watching.